These days, having a side hustle is easier than you think. With a world audience at your fingertips and a creative idea in mind, all you need to do is get started. I'm in Malibu, California, about to meet entrepreneur and designer Celine Benz.
I am Celine Benz, the owner of C.Bonz. It's really great when people walk in here, because a lot of the times when people walk in here, they have no idea what's going on. They're like, are you a manufacturer? What are you doing?
Celine, this is your shop. What is C.Bonz?
C.Bonz is my business, and it's a custom embroidery shop.
And what are you making here?
So we specialize in embroidery. I hand draw everything and do custom designs.
When you talk about custom embroidery, a lot of people think, oh, I'm gonna embroider like a blanket, but you say it's much more than that.
Absolutely. It's like a tattoo shop where you can tattoo your clothing, but with embroidery.
So you have this book, and these are all the designs that you've made.
Yeah.
I love this.
Thank you.
And so we can pick whatever we want to put on a garment. I was looking through this earlier. I love this somewhere.
Thank you.
Can we do this on a sweatshirt?
I would love to.
Celine, this is amazing. Look at all these 10 needles.
Thanks, Jane. It's super exciting, and this is where the magic happens.
And we love magic. So I noticed that you have the Brother PR 1050X model right here. Why did you pick that one?
I picked this machine because it has so many great functions and options. One of my favorite features is that you can do 10 different colors in your designs, and then there's the camera in the machine, which is super cool because you can scan your garment or your item in there, and then you can really line up the embroidery perfectly. The screen is really great, and it's also touchscreen, which is a really great feature also.
I gotta be honest with you, you know I love to sew, and I love to create and make things, but this can be a little intimidating.
She might look intimidating, but not at all. It's very easy to use, and in the machine you have some really great tutorials that'll help you figure things out, and it's definitely a machine you could master, Jane.
So we have picked a design that we're gonna put on this sweatshirt, and we're gonna do it right here.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, let's get started. Designing all of these garments that you're creating has got to be the fun part, but it happens here on a computer?
Well, first it starts with pencil and paper, and then into the computer, and then I digitize it, and then from the computer to the machine.
And in the computer, do you tell it what color threads you want it to be?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
Yeah.
So if I want this somewhere logo that you designed and you drew, it knows it's going to come out like that on this machine?
Yep.
So it's just that simple?
Just that simple.
Okay, let's go meet the machines.
Let's do it. Voila!
This is so cute, Celine. It came out great.
Thanks, Jane. With my Brother 10 needle, it always does.
I love this. Celine, thanks so much for sharing your story with us.
Absolutely. Thanks for hanging out.
Absolutely. Well, I hope we've inspired you to start your side hustle. Remember, it's easy with Brother at your side. And if you have a side hustle you want us to check out, let us know right here, and you can be featured next. Now go make something and sell it too, right?